Fire in the hole! Let's make some bacon cheeseburger onion rings. Stay tuned. Hello and welcome once again to my backyard. Let me tell you what we got going on here today. I got a great recipe for you. This is from my buddy Jay King, and he runs barbecue food for you. I think he changed the name to Backyard Barbecue. What I got here is about 2.5 pounds of ground beef. We're going to season it up with some Tango Joe's Porchetta rub. And Tango Joe developed this rub to use on pork belly and porchetta, but I find that it tastes excellent on beef. So I use porchetta rub on beef. And we're going to mix that in there. And we're also going to put in some sharp cheddar cheese right in with our meat. About 1/2 pound of sharp cheddar cheese. We're going to mix that all up. And then I'll show you what we're going to do. We got some onions over here, some white onions that we're going to stuff with this mixture. So stay tuned. I'll show you what we're doing. So I got my meat all seasoned up, and it's got that cheddar cheese right in it. And I've got some white onions that I cut up into rings, about 1/2 inch rings. And I took the smaller ones and put them inside the bigger ones. And what we're going to do now is take that ground beef and put it in between the two pieces of onion. Like that. Anyway, that's the theory. Jay made it look easy when he did it. It's not that easy. You got to pack your meat up inside these onions. Pack them up good. This is the cheeseburger portion of the onion ring right here. So we get this packed up with meat all around. I think you see where I'm going with that. Get that cheeseburger mixture kind of packed up inside there. Here, I'll do another one for you. Let me do this one. This one's kind of a, you want to get them like that, you know, where it got, you want to have like space in between. So we're going to put some more meat in this one. Get some meat in there. Yes, sir. I think this is coming along like it's supposed to. And I'll leave a link to Jay's channel in the description because he hasn't made a video in a long time, but he's got some great recipes on his channel. And I'm also going to leave a link to Tango Spice so you can get yourself some of that porchetta rub and try it on a steak. I think it's excellent on beef. So now I'm going to take some bacon. Here's the magic of this recipe. We take a piece of bacon and we wrap that cheeseburger onion ring with the bacon. In theory, that's how it's supposed to work. Here we go. Getting it done now. It's kind of a messy proposition, yes. It's kind of falling apart on me, but it's cool. It's cool. We'll keep it together here somehow. It's not working out. Okay, come on, let's get it together. Get that bacon wrapped around that cheeseburger. And you know, bacon is the duct tape of the kitchen. So my duct tape, it's not working out too good. But you get the idea. That's what's going to happen there. We're going to do some more here. Get another one, another piece of bacon. Get it wrapped around our onion ring. Anyway, you don't need to see that. I'll bring you back when I'm finished. Stay tuned. I'm not going to lie to you, this is not an easy recipe. Let me get these on the grill and I'll show you what it looks like. They're very difficult. I managed to get 7 of them made. Stay tuned. Well, my 7 cheeseburger onion rings are on the grill. And let me tell you what, that was not an easy task. So we're going to let them cook a while on indirect heat. Then we're going to flip them over and glaze them with some barbecue sauce. And then hopefully when they get done, we'll take a bite of one. So stay tuned. My bacon cheeseburger onion rings are coming along really nice. I'm going to glaze them with some barbecue sauce. I'm going to use some of this Kings Hawian barbecue sauce on them because I like it. Just going to drop some of that on there. That's good stuff. Get them glazed up with that. Just a touch of that on that bacon. Why? And I'm probably going to flip them over and get some even cooking going. Looking good, boy. How's that look? Can you see that? Oh boy. That Kings Hawaiian barbecue sauce has got like chunks of onion in it. It's really good. Really good stuff. Let me get them glazed up and flipped over. We'll cook them a little bit on the other side. They're looking good, boy. Looking damn good. Can you see that? How's that bacon look, Aaron? Bacon? Get what I'm saying? Bacon? Hey, Scorpion, you want to try this one too, right? You know you want to. So let me get these glazed up, and I'll get my buddy Scorpion on the deal. He'll make these even better. He'll make them out of pure bacon. Or something. I don't know. Anyway, yeah, let me get them glazed up. They're looking good, aren't they? That King's Hawaiian sauce has got a beautiful color to it. Let me get them flipped over and glazed on the other side. Then I'll get them cooked through, and I'll put them on a plate, and we'll drink a beer and have a taste. So stay tuned. All right, my bacon onion cheeseburgers are done. It's time for today's beer, which is So Fresh and So Green Terrapin Fresh Hop IPA Citra. So Terrapin always makes a good beer. So what's this one about? Well, apparently it says ain't nobody hopped like me. And Terrapin So Fresh So Green is beer that celebrates hops. That sounds good to me. What's the ABV on this? Anybody know? They've got it hidden here somewhere. I don't know. I can't find it. Anyway, So Fresh So Green. I hope it's not green. Let's find out. Oh, it might be. No, it's not. It's not. It's yellow. Looks like beer. Looks good so far. Only one way to find out, right, Roll? You got to pour it out and taste it. You got to be careful not to spill any, though, right? So Fresh and So Green. Fresh Hop IPA from Terrapin Brewing Company, Athens, Georgia. Athens, Georgia? Somewhere in Athens, Georgia. Yep. Let's take a sniff of that. Ah, that smells great. I can't wait to quaff the froth off it, Roll. What do you think? Stand by. Oh man, that's excellent. That's a great IPA. So Fresh and So Green. Terrapin Brewing Company, Athens, Georgia. Tastes great. Tell you what, it's not green at all. Let me get my bacon cheeseburger onion rings over here. And it's going to be a messy proposition, but I want to pick one up and take a taste of it. Like this one right here, I think. Let me take a bite of that. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. That's an awesome snack. Bacon, cheeseburger, onion rings. I'm sorry, I got my mouth full. So anyway, if you like this recipe, go down in the description and look up Jay King's channel, Backyard Barbecue. Backyard Barbecue, Jay King. Go down there and get some Tango Spice Porchetta rub for yourself. Stay tuned to the end of the video to find out who won the sauce from last week. This spring's pretty good. I'll tell you what, it's falling apart. It's kind of sweet, you know, with that sauce. It's hard to pick up too, and it's hot. I want to take another bite, but I just can't get to it. Oh yeah. Mmm. Nothing like hot barbecue sauce on your lips. Maybe it'll keep me from stuttering. Okay, so where was I? Okay. Go check out Jay King in the description. Go to Tango Spice, buy yourself some porchetta rub. Stay tuned to the end of the video to find out who won the sauce from last week. And go up here in the corner, in the iCard. No, first subscribe to me down here. Then go up in the iCard and check out my boy, the Bacon Scorpion. The Bacon Scorpion and the Quest for More Bacon. I don't think I've given him a shout out yet. But if I haven't, I've been remiss. The man's a legend in his own time. Look at that cheeseburger thingy. That's good, isn't it? Tastes really good. Anyway, come back next week. Talking with my mouth full. Let me take a swig of beer. Ah, that's good beer. Terrapin's So Green. Come back next week. We may not cook anything good, but I got a feeling we're going to be doing some bison next week. I can't promise you, but if all goes well, we'll be seeing some bison on the grill. So anyway, come back next week. Please subscribe. Go check out Bacon Scorpion. Check out Barbecue Food for You, which used to be Barbecue Food for You, is now Backyard Barbecue. Check out Tango Spice. Buy yourself some good spices. Stay tuned to the end of the video. Find out who won the sauce from last week. Come back next week. We may not cook anything good, but we will drink a beer. Bye.